Governance Board of the National Council for Persons with Disability, because disability is with us, and we must also champion the aspirations of the people living with disabilities so that they can be part and parcel of our working community. An area that Johnson Sakaja, our governor, touched on in an area of the security guys and the security companies we have. I want to say this, Your Excellency. As workers, we have written to you and remain grateful for your positive response towards ensuring that mechanization in the agricultural sector and the outsourcing of labor are stopped. In every country, Your Excellency, the governments are concerned about their people, their working people. Can't Your Excellency close your ears and don't listen to those who say outsourcing, if it is outlawed, will deal a major blow to the way of doing businesses. This is a total lie, because many countries have outlawed it because it amounts to indirect slavery. And the ILO, we have said that if you outsource, those people outsourced working on your premises remains your responsibility, and you must accept them to have a free and independent negotiations of their CBA. Further, Your Excellency, outsourced labor does not feature anywhere in our revenue collection books, nor do they contribute to the NSSF and NHIF. Let your government take action, because most of these outsourced people are paid in cash. A good example, Your Excellency, is the private security sector, of which Governor Sakaja has just mentioned, where more than 1.2 million Kenyans are employed, yet most of them are paid in cash. There is another animal which has lived with us, Your Excellency, and this one you must also close your eyes and deal with it. This animal called SRC. SRC, when it was put in place, it was meant to advise particularly the public sector area of employment, state officers and those other people. But what it has done, Your Excellency, and this negates the principles of the International Labour Organization ILO Convention number 87 and number 98, that they want to negotiate, they want to decide on CBAs. CBAs are freely negotiated between workers and employers on free, you see, on give and take basis. There should be no any barrier in between. And the former Attorney General Uongee wrote to us assuring us that SRC, their role is advisory. It's not to enter into negotiations to bar the freely negotiated CBAs and so on. And we don't want to mention this. We love this country. Otherwise, we can take this matter to the ILO. But because we are part and parcel of this country, Your Excellency, and we know how you move. You are a swift worker. You move very fast. And I know you'll have to make some changes in the SRC behavior. Even you, they want to consider what our head of state is supposed to get when they are not outside there talking to people. And we cannot allow that. Privatization of state corporations, Your Excellency, I want to thank you very much. We have parastatals that are connected closer to our hearts, but they cannot just be privatized like that. And I want to take good example of what you did recently when you were in Malava. You banned privatization of our sugar industries in this country. That is good. We have industries that are performing, Kenya Ports Authority, Kenya Airways, and so many others that we are proud of, Your Excellency, including KBC, Kenya Pipeline Reinsurance Corporation, and so many others that are performing well, which they just require stiff and modern applications of management.